Yo, what's up, fam? Welcome back to Vusi Mags. You already know what it is, man. I'm coming at you live from the Supreme Traders HQ, baby. You feel me? So if this is your first time in this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and you already know what we're doing today. Today, I want to share with you guys what's going on with NAS100 in case you guys haven't been seeing like a proper structure and stuff like that, right? So as you can see on my left-hand side, I already have the charts open. I'll tell you guys about the day we had at Supreme Traders today. And I think today I'll do something different. I'll show you kind of like the results other people are getting and stuff like that. So I'm going to open my Telegram right here. You
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, fam. So first we're going to look at the Telegram for today. We're going to check out the VIP stuff, right? So in the VIP stuff, I just want to scroll down here so you guys can see. So this is currently the last signal that we sent. And you can check the time. Now it's like 11 past 5 o'clock. So the last signal that we sent, it was a NAS100 at quarter past 4, right? And then we did kind of have some signals before that, but I want to show you guys, like how we doing, like right now, the current situation. So the current trade that we just closed now was the NAS100, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys this NAS100 trade that we was in. So as you can see from the M5, right? From the M5 5-minute chart, we had this trading. This is a flag pattern basically. I kind of saw this one coming a mile away because you looked at what was going on here and you saw the price consolidating. But the thing is, I analyzed this on the M15, right? So in the M15, the structure was still there, but to get a precise entry, I had to go to a lower time frame. You feel me? So went to the M5, like I said, and then that's where now this signal I was telling you guys about, this one. This is where it came from, because around 1613, it was somewhere around here. You feel me? That's where we entered the trade, somewhere around here. And I just want to show you guys also the public. Everything is blue, fam. You see, everything is just blue city. I want to show you guys also the public Supreme Traders channel, which is also, this one is free. I'm gonna link it. The first comment of the video is gonna be this channel right there, so you can basically hop on the train. This is the blue train. You feel me? We always dive swimming in blue. So we also send this very same signal. We send it to the free channel. Also, because I also want you guys to eat, even though you feel me, you guys don't want to pay to to invest in the mentorship. But even if you're not like subscribe, for the fact that you watch my videos and you subscribe to my channel and you also subscribe to my Telegram free channel, I'm gonna hook you up. Obviously, you feel me? You're my boy, and I got you. You feel me? So there was also a signal that we sent out today. We sent out the signal at quarter past 4, like we said, and then moving back. Okay, we dropped the video. This video, if you didn't see it, just go to my channel. It's there, fam. You feel me? I'm basically talking about the brokers and which broker you can trust and stuff like that. You get. And before that, we send out some blue city signals. You feel me? Blue city. Everything here is just like, you even see yourself, like all these charts all these results are coming from different phones. You feel me? We have this one, we have this one. This is all from yesterday, because as much as I send you guys signals, I also demand you guys to show me your results. So as you can see, everybody's just making money in here, fam. Everyone is making money. You feel me? All these results are all different. They're all different, and I think my network is just a bit slow, but I think you can get the picture of how everything is going this side. but it just doesn't want to load. I don't know, maybe my network is weird. So sharp, we already talked about the channel and stuff like that. So now I wanted to talk about the NAS100 analysis, and this thing is still pushing. But me, I already secured film. I want to go play with other kids and so forth. You feel me? So I'm just gonna go to H4. Okay, so this one doesn't have the analysis. I'm just gonna move this window so we can look at the watch list. I have another NAS100 there. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what's going on with this analysis, fam. This is on the daily. Now it's on the daily, right? So listen, before I even start explaining everything that's going on here, you need to first forget about what's going on with the smaller time frames and stuff like that. You need to only focus on the daily time frame that I'm showing you guys now. You feel me? So what we have here, I'm gonna move myself to the left. You feel me? So what we have here, fam, is an uptrend. We have a very nice structured uptrend. You feel me? I just want to squeeze the price action so we can see the whole structure. You get. So our trend line starts from the 16th of June 2020. You feel me? We connected with the higher low that was on the 30th of October 2020. When we do that, it gives us this perfect structure of a nice uptrend. We know an uptrend is basically swing lows, right, and swing highs and higher swing. It's higher swing lows and higher swing highs. Higher lows or higher highs. And I feel like everybody knows about that. So looking at this structure, we can tell we have all swing lows, swing highs, high swing low, high swing high, high swing low, high swing high. Now the price where it's at now. The price where it's at now, you see, the price seems like it's making a higher swing high, but without even looking at what the price is doing now, just looking at the trend line, you know what happens every time we make contact. So I don't understand, if you didn't buy, like, why?
Why?
Why didn't you open the buy, fam? Because basically you could have traded this without all of these other trend lines that I have on my chart. Just by only having this trend line, you could have made a bag from yesterday, you feel me, or from this morning, or at least today on my free channel. Come on now, you feel me? So now the thing that we gotta look at, because we already looked at the daily time frame, this is our reversal line. It broke out, we made a lot of bag there, you feel me? Now the price was dropping, so this resistance zone, we're gonna delete it. You don't really need that if you're watching this was a past data, you feel me? You don't really need that. So now, because we know this is our reversal line, when we break out of a reversal line, you know, take off, it's rockets, you feel me? So now we're waiting for the same thing to happen here, but because we knew that every time the market comes to this trend line there, we know it's gonna rebound up, you feel me? So the same thing that happened there is the same thing that happened here. So that's how we made today's bag, you feel me? So I'm gonna talk a little bit faster in this video because I want to go play with other kids, man. For me, it's on a Friday. I already closed everything, so I just want to do a quick recap to you guys, and I want to drop this video before the end of the night. So you guys better appreciate that, you feel me? So now, looking at where we are now, the next signal is gonna come once we get a breakout of this trend line zone, this reversal line zone. So maybe for this one we can go to the H4. Now when you go to the H4, that's where you clearly see what's going on. And it does seem like I'm telling you guys, it does seem like I'm showing you guys the whole strategy, but this ain't even half of the strategy. You see, now the messages are going in. From the messages are going in, it's the VIP group. You feel me? It's the VIP group, so that's what's up. You feel me? So alright, check this out. You see this trend line, the price has been respecting this trend line 1, 2, 3. So obviously when the price gets to this trend line, something is bound to happen. You get me? Something. And before the price makes its way up there, you might go and retest here and then go back up again or whatever. And in case you don't know, the CNBC app, the strategy that I give you guys, right? The strategy that I give you guys about using the CNBC app, if you can just look at the NAS100 movers, you can see everything is green, fam. So this is just like positive news for the NAS100. You feel me? All the stocks that move NAS100 are bullish. So there's no reason why even if you didn't know the strategy but you knew the CNBC strategy, go check it out in my section, in my videos. We'll see, it's like the last video that I made. You feel me? Just go check it out and watch the strategy. You feel me? So yeah, now we're waiting to see what the price is gonna do once it gets there, and it's also gonna depend on the M15 market open, right? So on the 15 minutes time frame, we gotta zoom in. You feel me? We gotta zoom in when the market opens and see how the market opens on Monday, so we can know what to expect and how to trade in the next trading day. You feel me? So it does seem like I gave you guys a lot, but trust me, this is just 20% of the strategy. There's a whole lot more psychological stuff and technical stuff and fundamental stuff that goes into the strategy. So I suggest you get yourself a VIP membership, or at least the least you can do is to join the free Telegram channel. So like I said, in this video, we're just gonna recap with you guys what's going on with the NAS100. And we already said that now we're heading for this trend line on the H4, because on the daily, we already rejected this trend line on the daily. You feel me? We already rejected this one, so we know where the price is going, because we couldn't break below. We broke below, but it was a fake out. You feel me? So that's all I got for you guys today. It's your boy, the one and only. You feel me? It's Vusi Max. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.